welcome back to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. Are you thinking about moving to Augusta, Georgia? Well, you've come to the right place. Not only are we showing off this beautiful home that's available for sale or rent to own, but we're also giving you a glimpse into the amazing lifestyle that awaits you here. Augusta offers a growing job market. Augusta is seeing steady growth with opportunities in healthcare, cybersecurity, manufacturing, and the military, with a strong presence at Fort Eisenhower. Augusta offers a rich history and southern charm. Steeped in history with beautiful architecture, Augusta provides a more relaxed pace of life than big cities while still providing all amenities you need. Augusta offers beautiful outdoor spaces. Explore the scenic Augusta Canal, the Savannah River, and many parks and greenways, perfect for enjoying the outdoors, from kayaking and fishing to hiking and cycling. Augusta offers an excellent food scene. Experience a variety of great dining options, from classic Southern cuisine and BBQ to farm-to-table restaurants and international tastes, and all in a relaxed setting. Augusta's transportation system includes the Augusta Regional Airport and major highways, making commuting around the city and getting in and out of Augusta conveniently accessible. The people here are known for their genuine hospitality and southern charm. You'll quickly feel at home in this friendly community. Thinking Augusta could be your next move? Great! But finding the right place can be a challenge. That's exactly why Bob Hale Realty is here to help. We have a wide range of homes available throughout the Augusta area, from downtown Augusta to Martinez, Evans, Grovetown, Hepzibah, and North Augusta, South Carolina. Whether you're looking to buy, rent, or even explore a rent-to-own option, Bob Hale Realty has you covered. So, if buying a home is your goal, our experienced agents at Bob Hale Realty will guide you every step of the way. From finding the perfect neighborhood to negotiating a great deal, we've got you covered. And importantly, we connect you with top lenders offering flexible financing and down payment assistance programs, including options with no down payment for qualified buyers with scores as low as 580. Plus, we proudly offer no money down VA loans for veterans and active military with scores as low as 500. Our in-depth knowledge of the diverse Augusta market is invaluable to your success. Not ready to buy just yet? No problem at all. Bob Hale Realty has a wide variety of rental options throughout Augusta. Whether you're looking for a stylish apartment downtown or a family-friendly home in the suburbs, we'll help you find a place that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Bob Hale Realty also offers one of Augusta's best rent-to-own programs. This option allows you to move into a place you can eventually call your own, building equity while you rent. It's a fantastic way to move towards homeownership. Bob Hale Realty is committed to making your move to Augusta smooth and stress-free. They understand it's a big step, so they're here to handle the real estate side of things, leaving you to focus on enjoying your new home and community. So if you're ready to start your Augusta journey, visit their website at bobhale.com or give them a call today at 706-796-2274 or 706-840-4663, or even stop by their office. All of the links are in the description below. Don't wait! Let Bob Hale Realty help you find your perfect home in the charming city of Augusta. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.